Good morning and welcome to the conference. I wish I could be with you in person, but this impressive piece of technology will have to do for both you and me. I'm grateful to my Liverpool colleagues for setting it up. It is for me a great and much appreciated honour that this conference is taking place, and especially that it's taking place in Liverpool, where my work on the Polybian commentary was initiated and carried through. The volume 3 only appeared in 1979, 2 years after I had retired. 2007 seems the right date to celebrate the commentary, if indeed it is to be celebrated. But 2007 is also a significant date for quite another reason. It's the 80th anniversary of my first introduction to Polybius, and I should at this point like to pay a long due tribute to E.H. Goddard, later a lifelong friend and an outstanding teacher of classics at Bradford Grammar School, where in 1927 I was just starting on my last year before going up to Peterhouse. So let me tell you how I first met Polybius. To save us from repeating the normal prescribed period of Roman history, Ned Goddard had arranged for the Joint Matriculation Board to prescribe, just for Bradford Grammar School, a special paper on the period 200 to 133 BC. To help us prepare for this, he came up with a small German edition of Polybius, I don't recall whose it was, which he handed to another boy and myself with the instruction to translate a number of chosen passages, to précis them, and reproduce the result using a kind of stained jelly for the rest of the form, which at the expense of several pre-periods we did. There was, of course, no question of using a lobe in this operation. I don't think we knew what a lobe was. When I last heard of the other boy, he was lecturing in economics at the University of Leeds, so it seems likely that Polybius didn't play a great part in his later life. For me, it was obviously going to be a different story. I just wonder how many grammar school boys in the late 20s were reading Polybius. Not many, I fancy. I was the lucky one. We have a splendid range of participants in the Congress. I'm really moved that so many have chosen to come long distances to take part. And I'm grateful to Tom Harrison and his colleagues here in Liverpool for the organisation it has surely involved. But I've already taken enough of your time, so let the work begin.